Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Huawei Nova 11. To do this, we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. First one is at the bottom right here. Next one is on top of the screen, and that's basically, or actually there's I think a speaker right here as well. We're gonna check it out anyway. So to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If not, then it's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. Okay, so first thing, I can confirm that this is actually a speaker, and also this phone does have a stereo speakers as the sound was coming from all of the sources. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.